Sam left school last June. You don't like work very much, Sam, his friend Paul said. What are you going to do now? I'm going to study music, Sam answered. I'm going to go to a music college. Sam went to the music college, but he did not study much. He played games and went to dances and enjoyed everything. But he never had much money. Then he had some holidays. He went home and saw his friend Paul again. Paul said, "How are you getting on, Sam?" "Quite well," was Sam's answer. "But my father isn't very nice. I wrote to him and asked him for £500 for a new violin. But he didn't send me the money. He sent me a violin."